Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, today we have a pre-intermediate lesson for you. We are going to be talking about infinitives with to. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, the infinitive with to. Let's begin. Use the infinitive with to after some verbs. Verb, infinitive with to. The infinitive with to is commonly used after state verbs. If you don't know what state verbs are, watch my video about state verbs. For example, agree to, need to, decide to, love to, hope to, want to, forget to, offer to, refuse to, promise to, try to, prefer to, would like to. Okay, use the infinitive with to before action verbs. For example, let's look at the state verb try with some action verbs. Try to go. State verb, action verb, infinitive with to go. Try to go. Try to play. State verb, action verb, infinitive with to play. Try to play. Try to watch. State verb, action verb, infinitive. Let's look at more examples. Try to do. Try to see. Try to hear. Try to cook. Try to read, etc. There are many, many more. The infinitive means to plus base verb. Try to go, try to see, try to hear, try to play, try to watch. Infinitive is to plus base verb. Try to go. Try to going. Which one do you think is correct? What is the base verb? Go or going? What do you think? Try to go is correct. Try to going is not correct. Go is the base verb. There is no change to the verb. It is the normal present tense, not past tense or ing. ing is a gerund, not a base verb. Examples. I like to teach English. This is correct. I like to teaching English. This is not correct. Other examples with infinitive. My students try to learn. They need to study every day. I try to give them good examples. I always want to help them. We do not use to after modal verbs, such as can or must. I can drive a car. I can to drive a car. I can drive a car is correct. I can't speak Japanese. I can't to speak Japanese. I can't speak Japanese is correct. Students must arrive on time for class. Students must to arrive on time for class. Students must arrive on time for class is correct. Use the infinitive with to after adjectives. Use it is plus adjective plus infinitive. Usually, this is to talk about opinions. Let's look at some examples. It is fun to go to the movies. It is plus adjective, fun, plus infinitive, to go. It is fun to go to the movies. I think so. Absolutely. It is healthy to exercise regularly. It is good to try new things. It is relaxing to read a book on a rainy day. I love to read a book on a rainy day and listen to the rain outside. It's very relaxing. It is exciting to travel to new countries. It is easy to learn about infinitives in English, right? I hope. Did you learn something today about infinitives? Give me a like if you did. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps my small channel grow. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, and I will see you next time. All right, bye.